Haley, turn on that light right there.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 744, effective until 6 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, DeKalb, Grundy, Henry, Kane, Kendall, LaSalle, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, McLean, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Winnebago, and Woodford. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for latest statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KX41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for McHenry, Lake, Cook, Boone and northern Kane counties in Illinois, as well as Walworth and Kenosha counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 11:23 a.m. Central Standard Time.